Buying a vacuum pump? Most people mess it up right away. Too big? You burn money. Too small? It can't keep up. Truth is, you don't have to guess. One formula does it. It ties three things together: how big your chamber is, how clean you need it, and how fast. And out comes the pump size you need. Let's run the numbers. A 100-liter chamber. You want to go from atmosphere to 20 Pascal in 10 minutes. Plug it in and out comes just 1.42 liters per second. At a safety margin, go with 2 liters per second. Perfect fit. But remember, the formula tells you how big, not how clean. In semiconductor and pharma, vacuum has to be clean. Oil pumps risk backstreaming, vapor creeping back in. Oil-free scroll pumps run dry, clean from the start. Sizing a pump? Do the math first. Stop paying the dumb tax. Follow GEOWELL for more vacuum stuff.